Alright, this is 4504 West McElroy Avenue in Tampa, and we've got a really nice opening to the sewer on the front of the house. The sewer actually exits the back of the house, and in the back right hand corner of the property you can see where it's painted green, so that's where the my guess is that it runs to a septic tank, or there's a city manhole back there if this is on city sewer. So what I've done is run the camera through the entire house to the PVC where it exits the house. That's our transition right there, where we transition from cast iron to PVC. So there is some standing water under the house. So that's what I wanted to show you here. You can see how the particles aren't really moving away from us. So what I'm going to do is go run some water so that you can see that the particles move away from us. So we've got a cast iron fitting here, and that all looks like it's pitch correct, and the PVC looks like it's pitch correct. But under the house is definitely holding some water. In order for me to show you that I've been able to successfully clean it, I'm going to have to run some water because I did jet the entire house out. So now you can see how the water it's cleared up. It's just every time we move the camera, we're going to stir up some really fine debris inside of the pipe. But if I run forward and get back to the PVC, once I get in the PVC, you can see everything here is flowing great. I'm going to pull back, and then we'll see if we can't get on the back side of the water flow. See if we can get a better picture. So that's probably going to be the combo that comes up to the bathroom where I am. Yep, and I'm literally right here next to where I have it. So we've been able to get the water to clear up a little bit, and you can see the teeny tiny little grease chunks. Those were big, huge monster ones. So you can see how this line, this is from the front of the house into the bathroom. It's got a little bit of back pitch on it. This is the main line that runs through the house. I'm going to have to try to stay in front of the debris pile. So you can see how we've got all of the big chunks. Everything's cleared out of here. There's no more big monster pieces of scale or debris. There's some really fine pieces, but all the big stuff is gone. I don't see any cracks in the pipe. I don't see any breaks. I don't see any roots. And this is running through the entire house. And then this is our exit here where the PVC is. So all the big stuff's gone, all the big chunks are gone. There's just some back pitch under the house where it's holding water. I'd recommend, maybe using pressure assisted toilets or using Scott's toilet paper. Any real thick toilet paper with the sags under the house is just gonna sit in the lines and back them up. If you have any questions, give us a call.